Samsung is without a doubt the biggest name in the Android world. And if you are considering purchasing a new phone, logic dictates you may be looking to pick up a phone made by the Korean giant. However, it is easy to say get a Note or the latest Galaxy S. Samsung's lineup is actually quite robust with a variety of phones covering prices as low as $200 or 10,000 yen rupees or as high as $1,300 or 1 lakh Indian rupees. In this video, I am going to show you top 10 best Samsung phones that you can consider to buy in 2021. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which Samsung phone did you like the most. Don't forget to hit that like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Samsung Galaxy A32. Samsung Galaxy A32 is a solid budget smartphone from Samsung. It features a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a MediaTek Helio G80 chipset with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. This chipset is a bit slow for heavy tasks, but that's to be expected from a device in this price range. It's a great budget smartphone nonetheless. The AMOLED display is great and the camera setup is actually decent and takes decent pictures with good selfies also. The 5000 mAh of battery is the main attraction of this smartphone that also comes with a fast charging support. Reasons to buy this smartphone are its beautiful AMOLED display, refreshed design that looks amazing, 5000 mAh of huge battery and good camera performance. This smartphone is suitable for the budget smartphone buyers and those who need a great battery life. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Samsung Galaxy A52, the best mid-range Samsung smartphone. Samsung has revolutionized its mid-range offering with the Galaxy A52. The successor to the very successful Galaxy A51 brings several improvements. The Galaxy A52 undoubtedly stands out as one of the best smartphones in the mid-range category in 2021. It features a brand new design, while the 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display also comes with a 90Hz refresh rate. Looks amazing. The 5G variant of the Galaxy A52 features a 120Hz refresh rate display. The Galaxy A52 has plenty of power under the hood courtesy of its Snapdragon 720G chipset. It comes with up to 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The camera setup has been improved significantly. It features a 64MP main sensor with optical image stabilization in addition to a 12MP ultra-wide, 5MP macro and 5MP depth sensor. Powering it all is a 4500 mAh of battery that supports 25W fast charging support. Samsung ships a 15W fast charger with the device and it also retains a 3.5mm headphone jack. Buy this smartphone for its modern design, improved camera, 90Hz refresh rate display, good performance and the most interesting 3.5mm headphone jack. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, best foldable phone from Samsung. Just like the Motorola Razr, Samsung drew on the flip phones of yesteryear for inspiration, but unlike Motorola's flawed device, the Galaxy Z Flip feels solid and well built. Credit to the layer of ultra-thin glass that Samsung uses on the phone's 6.7-inch interior display and the overall quality of the phone's hinge. Folding the device into something that fits neatly into a pocket is not just a cosmetic gimmick. Samsung has figured out a way for you to make the most of the Galaxy Z Flip's foldability with a flex mode that splits activities between the top and bottom half of the display. The Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset powering the phone delivers strong performance. The more recent handsets are faster. The two rear cameras on the Galaxy Z Flip produce shots that are almost as good as the best camera phones. You have got two choices with the Galaxy Z Flip, an LTE version or an 5G version apart from their cellular connectivity. The phone will cost you around $1,200 in the international market and nearly 80 to 90,000 Indian rupees. Buy this smartphone for its ultra-thin glass that adds durability, compact design when folded and good performance and cameras. The disappointment is the battery life is not so good and it is expensive also. Samsung Galaxy M51, best for battery life. If so, the Galaxy M51 should leave you at ease. It has gigantic 7000 mAh of battery that is guaranteed to go at least 2 full days on a single charge, likely 3 on average usage. This large battery, as expected, makes the phone quite a bulky device, weighing 213 grams and measuring 9.5mm in thickness. But it is ergonomically friendly thanks to the evenly distributed weight and subtle curvature of the backside. You also have a large 6.7-inch Full HD Plus screen and a quad-rear camera system comprising of 64MP main shooter and a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, as well as a 5MP macro and depth sensor. With a Snapdragon 730G chipset coupled with up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, it can easily do multitasking too. Samsung Galaxy M31s, the best budget camera smartphone from Samsung. An enhancement to the specification offered by the Samsung Galaxy M31, the M31s is another good smartphone on the list that runs Android 10 and Exynos 9611 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. The phone features 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which is perfect for smooth functioning and storing your important files. The phone features a Super AMOLED Infinity OLED for an immersive browsing experience. It also comes with a Gorilla Glass triple layer protection to ensure full safety. Backed by the gigantic 6000 mAh of lithium-ion battery, this phone is sure to let you carry on your work or gaming without any charging issues. Furthermore, the fast charging feature helps to save more time. Most importantly, the Samsung Galaxy M31s features a mind-blowing 64MP quad camera setup along with a 12MP ultra-wide camera, 5MP depth and 5MP macro camera to help you click immersive videos and photos with great details. Furthermore, you also get a 32MP of front selfie camera to take beautiful selfies. Buy this phone for its large battery life, high RAM and ROM, captures clear bright images with a high stabilization, and its amazing Super AMOLED Infinity OLED display. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, best value for a Samsung phone. Maybe you were impressed by the different Galaxy S20 models that debuted in 2020, but you were put off by the fact that they cost $1000 or more. Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition can elevate that sticker shock by packing in many of the best features in the S20, but for $300 less. The phone will cost you $700 or 40,000 Indian rupees, and phone runs on powerful Snapdragon 865 system on chip with a 5G connectivity. It also features 6.5-inch OLED display and a super fast 120Hz refresh rate that makes for smoother scrolling. And while its 8MP telephoto lens is not as sharp as the 64MP lens on the S20, but we are still impressed by the space zoom feature. Buy this smartphone for its affordable price, big 120Hz display and solid performance. The disappointments are, battery life could have been better and it doesn't ship with a fast charger. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, big screen option from Samsung. There is not much separating the Galaxy S21 Plus from the Galaxy S21. Though the former phone offers a larger screen, bigger battery and a more polished design than the less expensive S21. Whether that's worth the extra $200 depends on how you feel about the extra screen space, as the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus performance, battery life and other features are same as the S21. You will get an excellent phablet if you opt for the Galaxy S21 Plus, particularly when it comes with a 6.7-inch OLED panel. That's because, like other members of the Samsung Galaxy S21 family, the Plus screen has a dynamic refresh rate that adjusts based on what you are using on the phone. Cameras are also excellent, particularly the Galaxy S21 Plus telephoto lens, which features a 3x optical zoom and a 30x digital zoom. Fans of big phones won't mind how bulky the Galaxy S21 Plus can be. They will just be happy to have a solidly designed phone that gives them the display real estate they demand. Buy this phone for its gorgeous 120Hz AMOLED display, excellent performance and crazy zoom feature. The disappointments are bulky and unwieldy, and there is no micro SD card slot provided. Samsung Galaxy S21, Samsung's lower cost flagship phone. The price is right for the Galaxy S21. Least expensive of the new Samsung flagships, at just $800, the Galaxy S21 starting price is $200 less than what Samsung charged for the last year's Galaxy S20. In some ways, the feature set reflects that the lower price, as the Samsung uses plastic for the case on the S21 and leaves out the micro SD card slot. You will also have to deal with a 6.2-inch screen with a scaled back resolution. But that display also has a dynamic refresh rate, altering the speed at which the screen refreshes based on the task on hand. And the Galaxy S21 has the same Snapdragon 888 chipset that powers the S21 Ultra to the best performance for an Android phone. Throw in an excellent cameras that fare well against comparable models from Apple and Google, you have got a great phone for a less astronomical price. Buy the smartphone for its excellent dynamic 120Hz display, powerful performance and excellent telephoto lens. The disappointments are no charger or micro SD card slot, and it has got plastic bag. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, the best Samsung smartphone for productivity. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is a beast of a handset with a beast of a price. It has the best looking screen of any phone and the best camera of any Android phone, one which is brilliant fun to use thanks to its 5x optical zoom, fun filters and sleek camera interface. The camera here includes a 108MP main sensor, a 12MP periscope one and a 12MP ultra wide one, while the screen is massive 6.9-inch AMOLED one with a 496 pixels per inch and a refresh rate of up to 120Hz. But the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra doesn't stop there, as it also stands out from rival thanks to its S Pen stylus letting you doodle on the screen, sync voice recordings with your handwritten notes and more. Plus, the phone also has a top-end power, of course, including 12GB of RAM and either a Snapdragon 865 Plus or Exynos 990 chipset. There is also 5G, loads of storage, a premium design and an in-screen fingerprint scanner and a big battery, so this is the phone that almost has it all, though the charging could be faster and it's slightly disappointing that you can't use both a 120Hz refresh rate and a Quad HD Plus resolution at the same time. Buy the smartphone for its 5x camera zoom, new useful S Pen features. The disappointments are the ultra expensive price tag. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, overall the best Samsung phone. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is a Samsung's top premium flagship for 2021, and what a phone it is. For the first time, Samsung has offered S Pen support on its S-range handset here, meaning that you can optionally get the Galaxy Note range best features. But even without that, it is stunning handset with a brilliant quad lens camera capable of 10x optical zoom. In fact, it has the best camera zoom on any readily available smartphones. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra also looks great with a smooth Gorilla Glass back that has a matte finish that looks better than the reflective Galaxy S20 range, while around the front there is a curved edge-to-edge 6.8-inch screen. And speaking of that screen, for the first time on the Samsung phone, you get both a Quad HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate at the same time. And being a high-end Samsung screen, this is one of the best around. Buy the smartphone for its best cameras, amazing performance and mesmerizing design. That is, the only disappointment is it is expensive. So these are the top 10 best Samsung phones that you can consider to buy. If I had left any of the best Samsung phone in this list, please comment in the comment section. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.